Hi everyone, welcome back to another render demo, how to draw a video tutorial. Today I'll be drawing the 4th of July. So happy 4th of July for everybody. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a box, and we will draw like a rectangular shape. So we'll draw something like this. Okay, so I'm going to start with this corner. Before I complete the whole thing, I want to, we're going to put the 4th here. So then I'll split this right about here, and then that'll give me what the other side, where the other side's going to be. So that's going to be in the kind of halfway. Okay, so we can bring that down, and then this is going to be roughly about halfway as well. Okay, so there we go. We have our rectangular shape. And we can erase these later on, but get those out of the way for now. Okay, so we have 3 spots, and what we'll start with first is we will draw the number 4 with the TH. So we will try to fill as much of this area up as possible. So we're gonna go like this. Down, and you could draw whatever kind of 4 you want to put in here, whatever shape you like. Okay, so there's our number 4, and I'm going to put a TH over here. And I'm just going to use the top of the 4, this shape here, for my T. And then my H is going to be right about here. Okay, so we got 4th, and then I'm going to draw of over here. I'm going to split this kind of half, so I'm going to have 2 letters. So let's make sure we have a little bit of a gap. Okay, so we'll draw this circular shape. Okay, so that's the O, and then we'll draw an F over here. So 4th of, and then we'll do July. Okay, so now let's try to divide this up into about four spaces, okay, for 4 letters. All right, so let's start, and then maybe you leave a little bit of a gap right in there from your letters above. Okay, we don't want them to exactly touch, but so I'm going to start with the J. I'm going to put that like this. And then we'll come in and hook my J over. Like that. And then we'll do the U. And then we'll do an L. The Y will kind of come into the L space a little bit. Just like that. Okay, 4th of July. Now we want to do like this flag design inside of the letters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a corner where the blue shape's going to be with the white stars, and what I'll do is I'll just start like kind of halfway between the J, and I'm going to do this curved shape like this, and it's going to stop kind of halfway through my H. So then I'll come down like this, okay, and just go right through your letters, okay? And then what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to put my flag, the stripes, in this direction. So I'm going to follow the curve of my flag and just keep those waves going. So I'm going to come like this, okay, and we'll do, so that's one, we'll space this one like that, and then we'll just kind of do two more if we can fit those in, like that. And then we'll continue up on this side over here where the of, the O and the F are. So we'll continue our waves across like this. Okay. And then what we can start doing is adding in our stars. So what I'll do is I'll just draw a couple lines like this to kind of locate where my stars are going to go. And I'm trying to get them to hit like in between my letters so I can see most of them. And then I'll draw a few in this direction. So let me make sure I get like one right in here. And then we'll do one here, one here. Okay, something like that. And then you can just draw your little star shapes. So I'll go ahead and I'll just trace in my letters and you guys can follow along. Okay, so now that I have all my outlines markered in, we can go and erase the pencil guidelines that we drew in initially. So let's get rid of all those. Okay, so you can see all we're left with are our letters and with shapes inside of our blocky letters and the number 4. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to draw the blue part of the flag over here. So I'm just going to draw this line here. All right, and everything over to the top left will be blue. Okay, and then just be careful that you don't go through your stars because the stars will be white. So we'll go ahead and color that in, and then we'll do red bands for the rest of the letters. So we'll color this in and we'll see you in a second. Okay, so there you go. We just drew the 4th of July and the flag inside of each of the letters. So hopefully yours turned out pretty cool. Don't forget, click that subscribe button down below. That way you can follow upcoming tutorials from us. And we hope you have a good 4th of July, and we'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.